Hi guys! It's me, Athena. I am Catalina's sister. And because we reached 50 plus subscribers, that means in this video, you can comment if ano yung idadance namin ni Katkat. And we will pick 5 followers. We will pick 5 subscribers or we will pick 5 of you na gagawin namin. Kanya, subscriber namin nag-type, can you do like the ganon dance thread? And kapag napili ka namin, then lucky ka. We will do your request. So, comment ka lang dyan. And kung di ka subscriber, then please subscribe and like. And don't worry, kasi kapag nakapili na kami 5 na 5 followers, ay gagawin namin yun. So, this is the first video. And the second video is pwede kayo mag-comment kung ano yung sising namin. The third one is challenge. Kahit ano challenge, go. But here, you can comment kung ano ida-dance namin. Kahit anong dance, we'll do it just for you. Thank you so much. Bye. Love you.